The Toyota Tacoma is a beloved midsize truck known for its rugged capability and adventurous spirit. The 2025 model year promises a significant refresh, and the TRD Sport trim is particularly generating a lot of buzz. Let's dive into the confirmed news and exciting rumors surrounding this upcoming truck.
Before we delve further into our journey, we kindly invite you to subscribe to AutoSpecter, your gateway to automotive excellence.
The 2025 Tacoma TRD Sport is confirmed to receive a powertrain upgrade. A 2.4-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine will replace the previous naturally aspirated options. This switch promises a significant boost in horsepower and torque, making the TRD Sport more exciting to drive on the road. Drivers will also have a choice between a 6-speed manual transmission for a more engaged driving experience or an 8-speed automatic transmission for a smoother ride. The 2025 Tacoma TRD Sport might offer a choice between two suspension setups. Traditional leaf springs will likely remain an option, but rumors suggest a new coil spring rear suspension could also be available. This coil spring option could improve ride comfort and handling, especially on uneven terrain, without sacrificing the truck's off-road capability. Taking inspiration from the TRD Pro, the 2025 TRD Sport might borrow some off-road goodies from its big brother, the TRD Pro. This could include possible X-Runner revival and power boost. There's speculation about a possible return of the high-performance X-Runner trim. This could see the TRD Sport packing a serious punch, possibly with a twin-turbo V6 engine borrowed from the Tundra, pushing horsepower well over 400. Expect aggressive styling cues to match the amped-up powertrain. The 2025 Toyota Tacoma is expected to hit dealerships sometime in summer 2024. Specific details on trim levels, configurations, and pricing for the TRD Sport will likely be revealed closer to the release date. While some of the rumors are exciting, it's important to remember that they are just that, rumors. It's always best to wait for official information from Toyota. Regardless, the 2025 Tacoma TRD Sport promises to be a compelling option for truck enthusiasts seeking a blend of on-road performance and off-road capability.